A customer has deceived me. He only cares about money. He ordered two keycaps from me, and his order was valued at around $85. I shipped the items to him within a week. Indeed, the delivery time was very quick. I was relaxing and feeling happy. But then, I received a message from him. It's a story that repeats itself. He wrote,
"Oh, my order hasn't arrived. I feel really disappointed. This is a gift from my girlfriend."
and of course, I felt really bad and refunded the entire amount to him. I apologized to him many times, but then I felt angry. I happened to see him posting a picture with the two keycaps. Truly, his audacity. This concerns you, John. Don't deceive small businesses anymore.